time for another video! But not just any video, today is the first Pinky Pink Wednesday of 2025, yay! I am super excited for today's Pinky Pink Wednesday because this girl is so super pink and I love her and I have been itching to get her out of the box. So today, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bust this beauty Barbie Deluxe style with the Millie face side glance out of her box jail, yay! Just real quick, for those of y'all who might not have seen her up close, we're gonna get into her. Here she is in her box jail. I love the box, y'all. I love the backing. Love that it says Barbie Deluxe style there. Love how it's angled here on the side with the Barbie logo and you can see her more in detail. Love it. Love the box all the way around. Love the back. Love this little like illustration here of her and then the other ladies in the line with her on the back, and then there's the barcode if you want to try and score her for yourself. There's the bottom of the box, and then here I'm going to do a real quick around so you can see the shape of it. Super duper cool. Love it. So y'all know the drill. I'm going to take this box and cut her out of it, debox jail her, and spare y'all all the gook. I do have a pair of trusty scissors here. I have several pair, but this one is the one that's closest at hand that we're going to use today. And then debox jail this cutie and spare you all the gook. So when we come back, she'll all be debox jailed. Yay! Just real quick for anybody who might be wondering how to debox her, I opened up the bottom first so she'd be easier to slide out because this box is kind of different shaped, you know. It's got the triangle shape going on, so I just thought I would share that with y'all, that it's easier for her to come out that way. It does get stuck on these little flappies though, I do have to say that. All right, here she is, all out of her box jail. Pinky, ha! I love it. I love the box. Definitely keeping the box. Getting her out wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I showed you a little how it got stuck on the sides when I was trying to pull the back card out with her on it. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. You know, the same things that we're used to, all the little things trapping her in. The worst part is always the stays through the head, having to jerk it off that card and get those out. But other than that, pretty okay deboxing experience. Now, before I get too more into it, I have to say the stand is mine. I bought it myself for my Pinky Pink dollies that don't have stands, that don't come with stands. I get them from Temu and they're like, I don't know, $2 or $3 for a pack of 10. So I don't think that's too bad of a deal. And I love having them for my Pinky Pink dollies. Not sponsored, by the way, have to mention that too. She doesn't really come with a lot. It's all on her already. So because she doesn't have a lot of accessories and they're all on her, I'm going to take her off the doll stand and then we're going to get on into her. Yay! All right, accessories first. We're going to go for her cute little purse here. It is a brick style. It doesn't open, but it is all pinky pink. It would have been nice if they would have maybe like put some iridescent on this part here to make it more like defined because it's all one flat color. Other than that, I don't really mind it. I think it is cute. I like the little like jewel looking thing on the top that's supposed to look like it opens even though it doesn't. See, just all the way around, same color. And then she has this adorable little white pearl type bracelet. I think I have some pearlescent kind of like nail polish. I think I'm going to paint that on this just to make it a little more special. But there it is. It has the opening on the back there where you can just slip it over her wrist. Next, we're going to talk about her little sunglasses here. They are all strappied and attached to her head in a weird kind of way. So I'm going to leave it for now, but I probably won't leave it long term when I have her on display. I don't really care for these glasses that much. They're not awful, but for me as a dolly collector, I prefer the ones that you can actually see through, and she has such a pretty side glance face. I would never cover up her eyes. So I'll probably, like I said, in the long run, take them off her head, but they are cute. I do like the little dot detail they have, and you know that they're at least nicely made. Some of them can be really thin and cheapy, and the little side pieces that go over the ear are all bent, but these look to be made pretty nice. Next, let's talk about her earrings. I absolutely love that they are in the shiny metallic, not just flat gray. That is a bonus. Yay, score. Love that. This one was a little bent. I had to give it a little shimmy, and now it's setting right, but before it wasn't. Didn't much care for that, but now that it's setting right, love it. I just might paint a tiny bit of tone in the middle of these jewels. I'm not sure if I want to or not. Are really, really pretty as is. So for me, I'm not sure, but I do really love these. Love this accessory. Love when they give it to them and it has the actual metal tone. That's one of my favorite things. Then, since we're talking about that, let's talk about her necklace here. It is really cute. It says Barbie, and again, it's in the metallic tone that I love, love, love. I love it when they do that, when they don't do just the flat gray. That is a bonus, double bonus, because the earrings are and the necklace is. Love, love, love that. It just comes around the neck and slides on in the back there. Super easy. Loving her accessories. Yay! Now, I usually do this sooner, but I was just so excited to get into her. This is what her hair looks like out of the box. I haven't done anything to it except pull her out of the box. Now, she does have, as you can see there, some longer strings, which I will cut off, and I'm going to run a brush through her wavy hair and then come back to you so you can see what it looks like. All right, back again, and here is her hair after I brushed it and gave it a little trim because she had those long stringy hairs. It's pretty nice actually for box hair. It doesn't look like it would probably need that much more attention other than what I gave it, probably because it has a wavy texture, and when they put the rubber bands in, it gives them a wave, but she's supposed to have the wave. So there's the hair. Pretty nice, pretty good quality. Not the 100% best, but it is the nicer quality. The only piece that has any product in it that I can tell is this front piece, which I was going to brush it, but then I thought it would make it all fuzzy and I didn't want to do that. So I just left it. I ran my fingers through it like this a couple times to make it less stiff, but I've seen way worse. There's this extra little bump here. I don't know if you can tell. They had it rubber banded to her arm here like this. I don't know why they do that kind of stuff, but they do. And I wanted to mention her cute little top knot bun is so adorable. I love, love, love this hairstyle. It's super duper cute. Have to say for the hair, I would probably give it about a 9.5. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's the absolute best quality because the ends are kind of fuzzy. As I was messing with her hair, this was detached from one side, so I just decided to take it off because it was kind of hanging. So here are the little sunglasses in better detail without that thing in between them. So now here's what she looks like without the sunglasses on. So pretty. Since we did all the accessories in her hair, it's shoe time. Gonna talk about the shoes. These are so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. Just look at these. I love, love, love these. These are so pinky pink and cute. I know they didn't paint any details really, but I still love these. Just look at the little heel with the little detail there on the bottom, and then there's these little like beads or whatever around the toe, and there's a peep toe, and then there's a little like Mary Jane thing there in the middle with the bow, and then the 3 straps around the ankle there in the little beaded detail. Love it. There's even detailing in the like shoe part here. It's like molded in little like indents or something. I don't know what to call it, but it's so cute. Only thing I might do to these shoes is just add a little dry brushing detail to bring out some of all these wonderful details. Otherwise, love, love, love them. Shoes get a pinky pink 10. Love it. Now I want to get in close and check out this girlie's beautiful face. Oh, I love a side glance. Side glances are one of my favorite expressions for a doll. I don't know why. It's just something about the flirtiness of the side eye. I don't know. It's so cute to me and I love it. Love her blue eyes. Look at that. And she has the like tannish brown brows to go with her blondie hair, and then she has this flirty like little flick of lashes at the end, and I don't know how well you can tell, but there is a little bit of pink there on her eyelid there. Super cute. Love that detail. She has some sparkling on her face. I don't know if that's purposeful or not, or maybe it's just mine, but she does have a little bit of sparkle, which I do not mind. She has nice little rosy cheeks there and this mauvey matte lip that is just gorgeous. Just look at this face, y'all. I love it. It does have a little pixelation in the eyes that I can see when I turn it in the light, and in the eyebrows, but the lips, I don't see any pixelation, but it's very slight, not like some of them where it's really bad. She does have a little bit of product on her forehead there from all the stuff they put in this bang piece, but you know, nothing I can't handle, nothing I can't get rid of. Just look at how beautiful her face is, y'all. I love it. Face on her gets a 10 from me. Love, love, love it. Now, since we talked about her accessories, her hair, and her beautiful face, we're going to talk about this outfit. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love it. Just look at this fabric, y'all. It has the little dots in it. Love that detail. This cute, adorable baby doll dress. Just look at her. So super cute. Love, love, love. Now, the top of the baby doll dress here is hemmed beautifully. There's a few little strings, but that's going to happen with anything. It has the gathering here at the waist and then the two darts here under the breast to make it fit better around her. So super cute. Also hemmed at the bottom of the cute little dress, and the fabric, y'all, is really, really nice. Super surprised how nice this fabric is. I was hoping it would be nice, but you can never tell from, promo pictures and whatnot. She also has these adorable ribbon straps, which I love, in the pink, pinky pink. This is my perfect pink, y'all. This blush pink, kind of like my nails. Just love it. Such a pretty little dress and simple. Doesn't have to be complicated for me. It just has to be cute, nice fabric, and I love that. And then around to the back, it has this awesome big bow, which I absolutely love. If you guys have seen any of my one-of-a-kinds that I make, I love me some bows. If you don't know that about me and you're new, hi, nice to meet you. I love pink, I love bunnies, I love dollies, and lots of other cute things. So if you didn't know that, now you do. But this is just adorable. It does have a little bit of something there. I don't know, it's like a little pull pill or something. Now, I do have to say, while I'm talking about the dress, there was two little taggers tacking it down. I don't know why they do that. This side, it had pulled through. Yeah, so it made a little hole, which I just don't like at all. I really do wish that they would quit doing that to the outfits. It ruins the fabric. This is so nice. And now I have this pill thing going on here. The other side didn't do it, thank goodness. So it's just on the one side, which she looks like from the back. So you can see the cute little bow and the little dress. It's a little rumpled from her being in the box, but I'm not mad at it. And then, as you can see underneath the bow, there is the soft Velcro closure that we like on the little dress. And since we're here, it also has the soft Velcro closure on the little white cotton top as well. Now here is the little shirt up close. Made pretty nice, pretty soft cotton. It is hemmed at the sleeve, also hemmed, and has a collar at the neck, but it's super short. I lifted it up. It is hemmed at the bottom of the top, but it's a really, really short top. Like if you wanted to take it off and style up your other dolls with it, how we do that sometimes as dolly collectors, we trade out their outfits sometimes, or outfit pieces, when they have like a staple like this white little shirt. But it is soft, it is made pretty nice, and it's super duper cute with this look. Now here are her tights. These are made pretty nice, not real baggy or anything. Nice little bungee here at the top. They're sewn very well. Here's what they look like from the back. You can see the stitching, and now they do stop at the ankle. They are not full tights that go over the foot, but I don't mind that at all with this look. It's super cute. I love the sparkle in these. These are kind of a silvery color, and I think that balances really well with her accessories. It goes with her silvery earrings here and her silvery necklace. Nice touch. Loving me these pretty sparkly tights. For articulation, this girly has the up, down, side, side, all around head and neck joint, which I love, which is one of my favorite things ever. She has the shoulder joint where it goes in, out, back, forth, 360 all the way around. She also has a single jointed elbow here and the wristy joint. And then she has the single jointed knee joint. She has the forward and backward, not too much in and out, but some. And she can also sit. No ankle joint on this girly, but I don't mind that. No upper body joint either. And that is this girly's articulation. So here this beautiful Barbie Deluxe style girl is head to toe, side, front to back, 360 all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful, lovely pinky pink deluxe style Barbie girl. So there she is, beautiful pinky pink Barbie Deluxe style girl. And for me, as a dolly collector, I would have to give this girl like a 9.9 in my book. Your opinion might be different, but that's how I feel about this beautiful girl. I'm super glad to have her and add her to my collection, especially since she's so pinky pink. And I'm so glad that I got to share her with y'all for Pinky Pink Wednesday. There's not much else I could say about this girl that I didn't already say. We discussed the likes and the things that we weren't so happy about, but overall, absolutely love. Definitely will pick another one of her up once she goes on sale to add to my collection. If y'all have been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and Dolly Pinky Pink Wednesday love to all you lovely watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are truly the best, and I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely pinky pink first for 2025 Wednesday. To all you wonderful, lovely watchers and subscribers out there, y'all are truly magical and awesome in all the best ways. I can never say enough just how much y'all mean to me, just how special you are, just how great it is that you have come along the journey, hit that button, became part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. All the likes, the comments, the sharing, every little thing y'all do, I have to say a super huge thanks bunches from me to y'all. Thanks for absolutely everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day because y'all coming along, hitting that button, boop, saying you like my dolly silliness, my dolly craziness, my dolly goodness, and all the joy that I want to spread in the Dollyverse with y'all. I do my best to give you fun videos in a safe dolly space where we all can come and share in our common thread of dolly love. I do shorts, vlogs, tutorials, DIY, Pinky Pink Wednesdays, all kinds of dolly goodness. Anything you can think of in the dolly world, I'm going to try it right here, and hopefully we have fun while we're doing it together. So if you want to become part of all the dolly goodness and joy we spread here, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. First Pinky Pink Wednesday of 2025 in the books. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all had fun and enjoyed all the pink dolly love. That's all for now, so y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy dolly day, happy Pinky Pink Wednesday, and bye y'all!